All right, guys, we're at Homesyck. These are some natural candles. These smell really good. So far, this is my favorite. I will not say the name out loud on camera. So I am going to get some of those for load shedding. But what is your name?
My name is Kimberly.
Oh.
This is my friend's business, Megan. This Homesyck started off as a hobby, and then we got into the business. She got into it, and we use soy wax candles, which is vegan friendly, and our scents are really nice. Benefits of soy wax, you can use it on your body as a moisturizer. What makes us different is our wooden wick, because it helps make the candle burn 35% stronger than a normal candle.
Okay.
And gives that crackling sound of a fireplace as well.
Oh, nice. She just sold me on that. So I'm going to get a big candle too. And what else? So what are these here?
These are our small candles. These are flickers. We call them flickers because they're just small.
Oh, okay.
These are small, this is medium, and these are our large candles.
Oh, okay.
We do refills, we do personalizations, we can put whatever you want on the cover.
Oh, so the Escom one don't work, right? It's like wickless.
Because we're stressed, so it's Escom set. Meaning Escom's. But we won't.
Escom is good, guys. They give us electricity at least 4 hours out of the day. Cool. So I'm finna cut off. Oh wait. Are you on social media anywhere?
Yes, we are on social media, Homesyck Candles.
All right.
Find us on Instagram, Facebook. Yep.
Okay, cool. So make sure you give them a follow. Online based? Do you have any storefronts too? Or supplied anywhere? Okay. No way back. Online based, got you. Online based, I got you. So let me go ahead and get some stuff, guys, and then I will be back.